Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can actually file a claim if you have gotten some issues there in FedEx. But before we start with our video, as usual, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family who also need this. And we'll now just start our video. So to do so, you will have to go to your phone browser. Once you are in your browser, simply go to this search bar and type in fedex.claim. I can see, you can see this option, search option called file a claim there in FedEx. Simply tap on that link, then you will see this kind of interface over there. You can see this option called log in to file a claim, right? You will simply tap on that option, get logged in your FedEx, and you can simply add in a user ID, add in your password, and then you will get to type in your issue that you want to claim over there and simply send it to FedEx and they will look over it. So yes guys, this is how you can simply file a claim going there directly in the FedEx website. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.